Good morning, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a little productive fall vlog. Already got a few things done, but my town is having a huge community garage sale this morning, so I think I'm gonna head over there and we'll see what else we get into in this vlog. Before I go, I'm gonna make a little smoothie. My appetite is not that big recently because I am getting over COVID. It's the same smoothie I always make. It's just my fixation smoothie, so I'm not tired of it yet. That was a little bit of a bust, to be honest. There was some really cute live music, but it was mostly like booths of companies, and I don't really care about that. I think I'm gonna actually head over to like TJ Maxx and Target now because I need a couple things from there. All right guys, so little change of plans. I came home first because it's like 11 now and I need to eat something more than just a smoothie before I drive far away from my house because I don't want to buy food out because I have a lot of food in there. And I have some leftover pad thai from last night. I love pad thai so much. Now that I've had my little snack, my little lunch, I am gonna go to Target, Sephora, TJ Maxx. Maybe not Target. I think I'm gonna go to TJ Maxx first and then Sephora. I'm sitting in my car, my AC is blasting. I shouldn't have worn black jeans. I'm pretending it's fall, but it's not. It's still like 80 out and I'm sweating. But I got some really good stuff at TJ Maxx. I spent a little more than I planned. All right guys, I am back from the store, or stores I should say. Sometimes you just have good shopping days, and I guess today was a good shopping day. But I got these shoes. You wear like a white sock with them. This with a skirt, a white sock, tights. I also bought some tights and a little skirt and a sweater. I'm done. That's an outfit. I also got this little organizer for underneath my bathroom, and I'm really hoping that it fits. I did not measure. I got this really beautiful vase. It looks so cool, and I'm gonna do it as like a centerpiece for my, I actually got a whole little centerpiece thing. So I also got some candles. This for the island, and I'm gonna like put the vase on it and a candle and one other thing, and it's gonna be super cute. But I wanted one of these. This is bourbon and amber. This one's nice too, and I thought it was so cute. Just some white socks because I feel like I never have enough socks. You guys, I never like announced, but I did get a cat. She's 10 years old. She's a senior citizen, and she's so cute, and we love her. This is her. She is a precious angel. Okay, I'll let her live. I also got some tights. Pumpkins. Oh, I forgot I got this. I got this a little immunity shot because I'm still kind of sick a little bit. I'm like on the tail end. I got some pineapple juice because Brian's getting his wisdom teeth taken out on Monday, so in like 2 days. So I'm gonna make him drink all of that so he doesn't get swelling. I re-upped on my Kikaplast. I kind of had my eye on this moisturizing cream, kind of in the market for a toner. I've been like looking around, And I always look to see like which ones are more sold out, to see like which ones are more popular, because the girlies probably got my back with that one. But I saw this e.l.f. toner and I've been hearing good things about their skincare. Actually, let's take this little immunity shot right now. Okay, so this is the current centerpiece setup that I have, but I just think I want to keep this because I like this. This might move. This is like just pens and stuff, but I want to try something here. Yes, that's what I wanted. Maybe I'll switch out the candle. We can add little pumpkins in it. Stop. I'm a really big fan of this vase. Just like the texture on it is so pretty. So this is supposed to help me organize this. And I think it's gonna fit. Wasn't really planning on doing all of this right now, but why not, you know? I had to put shorts on because I am sweating, but let me do something. I think I need to organize this side first. What up? It is a little bit later. It's like 6 o'clock right now. I can't remember the last time I actually talked to you guys, but I've been cleaning the house. I have some leftover turkey and lettuce wraps that I'm probably gonna have for dinner. Look how cute you are. We got her this cat tower, and she has this little rocket ship too. So I think I'm gonna make my pumpkin overnight oats, because why not? I really like cinnamon, so I'm not shy with it. And just throw it in the fridge for a delicious breakfast tomorrow. I already washed my face, and I'll show you what I used. So I used this Versed dissolving balm. It's like a oil cleanser essentially. And then I used my La Roche-Posay face wash. Ooh, let me wash my hands really quick. You're supposed to brush your teeth before you do your skincare. Don't be like me. I need to work on being more gentle with my skin, because obviously I'm being gentle now on camera, but I definitely wash my face like a boy, like I'm over the sink, like, which, I don't know. it gets the job done. Okay. It doesn't smell like anything, so that's kind of nice. I'm like here for the no scent. This is toner with oat milk, aloe juice, and niacinamide. We're gonna try this moisturizer. I'm excited about this one. Not me like breaking it. It feels very nice. Feel it on my skin. It feels very moisturizing. I always put moisturizer just like over my lips because I'm like, why not? It definitely absorbs into the skin and you really, oh, that was a lot. I was about to say, you don't really need that much. Good morning, it is now Sunday and I have some cinnamon rolls in the oven. They're like pumpkin spice cinnamon rolls. Oh my gosh, they're done. Okay, look at them. Don't those look so good? And I know I made pumpkin overnight oats, but I can just have that tomorrow. Hey guys, it is a little bit later in the evening. I'm about to make some dinner. I was gonna stop this video, but then Brian and I went fishing. Well, he went fishing and I laid in the hammock and read my book.
The whole dev thing's a joke anyway.
And now I'm just chilling, watching a new show, and I'm gonna make dinner. So I was gonna show you guys what my current dinner obsession is right now.
Oh, so you want to run the team or stay up to?
Definitely just give this video a little thumbs up because I worked really hard on it and I hope you guys enjoyed the editing style and everything. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.
Arguing again, arguing about something so simple. Make it clear, tell me